Alright, today we got a mega box here. I ended up finding this at Walmart and got a discount off it because it was damaged. So let's see what's inside here. This is 4 cards per pack, 10 packs per box, and 17, 18, 20 rated rookies, red, yellow, and 2 hollow prisms per box on average. Alright, see that damage there? $5 off. Hopefully nothing's on the inside is damaged. So we'll deal with it. But looks like they were in the damaged area, but it looks like they're okay. Alright, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 packs. Let's get to ripping. It's the first time I'm seeing this product, so I'm definitely very interested. Blake Griffin, Mitch Richmond, Derek White, and Bam. Those are not numbered. Those are just blue and yellow. Too fast. It's like I wonder if they're all like that. Looks like a refractor. This is normal white. This one looks like, yep, it says on the back prism. Okay. Dylan Brooks, Frank Mason, Jared Allen. Chris Dunn, Derek White, Prism, John Collins, and Josh Jackson. Oh. Juwan Evans, Dwayne Bacon, Jonathan Simmons, and DeMar DeRozan, Court Kings. Justice Winslow, Frank Mason III, Ike, and Zach Collins. Justin Jackson, Yao Ming, Ivan Rabb, Josh Hart. Miles Turner, Zizic, Zauki, and JJ Barea. Rudy Gay, Karl Anthony Towns, Prism, Dotson, Harry Giles. Nicholas Batum, Josh Hart, regular, De'Aaron Fox, and Caleb Swanigan. Last pack. Josh Collins, Tracy McGrady, Malik Monk, and Milo. Alright, thanks.